Environment Canada has issued a significant weather... Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Northern Ontario at 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, January 28, 2013. A freezing rain warning is issued for North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa, and West Nipissing, French River. Snowfall warning is continued for North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa, and West Nipissing, French River. Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 3:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, January 28, 2013. A freezing rain warning is issued for Western Algonquin Park, Lake of Two Rivers, Deep River, Whitney, Eastern Algonquin Park, Bayfield Inlet, Dunchurch, South River, Burkes Falls.
Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le nord de l'Ontario à 15h55, heure normale de l'Est, le lundi 28 janvier 2013. Un avertissement de pluie verglaçante est émis pour North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa et Nipissing West, French River. Un avertissement de neige est maintenu pour North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa et Nipissing West, French River. Environnement Canada a mis à jour un bulletin des conditions météorologiques menaçantes pour le sud de l'Ontario à 15h36, heure normale de l'Est, le lundi 28 janvier 2013. Un avertissement de pluie verglaçante est émis pour Parc, Algonquin, West, Lac de Deux-Rivières, Deep River, Whitney, Parc, Algonquin et Bayfield Inlet, Dunchurch et South River, Burkes Falls.
The Environment Canada forecast issued at 4 p.m. Monday, January 28th for tonight, Tuesday, and Tuesday night. North Bay, Powassan, Mattawa, West Nipissing, French River, snow warning in effect. Freezing rain warning in effect.